Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shykoh Mwangi and today I have an amazing video for you guys. So I am in a very beautiful estate, as you can see, and I am going to be showing you guys an amazing 4-bedroom house. It's a townhouse and it's in Athi River, just next to Morans, just after Morans. And it's amazing. I am in love with this house. I am in love with the ambience. A very good quality house. I love it, I love it, I love it, and I'm excited to show you guys. So keep on watching, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and share the video with a friend.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So you branch off from Mombasa Road at Turf Farm. There's a school nearby called Our Lady of Good Counsel, which is just here, and it's a very affordable school, by the way, and very, very good. So guys, we are inside the estate. This is the estate. It's just after Morans and it's beautiful. There are 4-bedroom houses with a separate SQ, and we're gonna go into one of them to see how they look like inside. So guys, this is the parking area outside. I love the floor, and then I love that they have a grill door and window. So when you come in, here is a sink. This is the back side, and then this is the SQ. They have a sink in the SQ, a toilet, and a shower and a tub. The SQ is quite a good size. So this is the back side of the house. So when you enter, this is the kitchen. This is a showroom, by the way. So this is the main door, as you can see. So when you walk in, this is the sitting room. On my left here is the dining area, and just here is a toilet. And then this is the sitting room space. And outside here, you can plant grass if you want. You can put cabros, whatever you want to do with it. You have the freedom to do that, and it's quite good space. And yeah, this is the size of the sitting room from here. You can modify it to however you want it to be, because this is just their showroom. So sitting room, dining, the kitchen over there. Over here we have a store, a small store space. And then over here there's a bedroom downstairs. It's an ensuite bedroom. I love this style decor. This one is spacious, by the way. Yeah, so that's the bedroom downstairs. You have space here to put a chair and a small table. They have a mirror over here. So that's the bedroom downstairs. It can be a guest bedroom. And yeah, so downstairs they have 2 toilets, because the bedroom has a toilet and a bathroom, and this here is also a toilet just next to the entrance door. And this is the dining area again, the sitting room. Yeah, so we're gonna go upstairs. This is the first bedroom upstairs. There it goes. I love the space. It's amazing space. And it's ensuite. Here is the toilet and bathroom. And this is the closets. Wow, and they're spacious, you guys. So that's bedroom 1. And this is bedroom 2. I think they've put it as a kid's bedroom. Look at that. A study table, a dresser. Wow, small bed. But in case you need to put a big bed, the space is enough, really. And the closets as well, which I really love because they are spacious. This carpet is so cute. I wonder where they got it from. And a toilet and bathroom. Let me show you guys. There's a balcony here for the master bedroom, and look at the view. This is the master bedroom. As you can see, it has more storage space. It is very spacious, very spacious. Multiple storage. They even have put this swing over here. That's how spacious it is. Look at that. Then the bed is amazing. I know the house won't come with this, but I'm just loving the quality. This house is very good quality. Like, they've built a good, strong house. Let me show you guys the closets. It's the closets. more storage. And more storage on this side. So you have storage on both sides here. And then this is the toilet. So this is the shower. They have this glass. Shower. The toilets. It's good space as well, but I'm pleased with the fact that we have multiple storage on the master bedroom, and the master bedroom itself is very spacious, and the view outside. This is amazing. Check out the view from the master bedroom. This is so beautiful. This could be a very good B&B. Look at that, because of these views. The back side of the house is also so amazing. This is the washing area. You can see the tap, sinks, and then the SQ. And look at these tiles. They're amazing. Yeah, then parking. And yeah, there are many units. Guys, I love this place. I have loved everything about the house. Like the developer has really invested. The fittings are amazing. The tiles, like everything is good quality. Like even when you're just inside the house, you can feel like you're in a good house. Like the house is good. Like hawakujenga na maharaka haraka, wakieka, you know, just the materials they want. They've taken their time, and I love it. You can buy the house and live here because it's not far from the main road, and the road is good coming here. It's just after Whistling Morans, if you've ever been to Whistling Morans. It's also near estates like Greatwall Gardens, Pine City. Yeah, there's a school nearby called Our Lady of Good Counsel, which is actually a very good school, which is very affordable, a Catholic school. Of course, there are other schools around. Then there will be a shopping center inside the estate. There's also a play area, which I'm going to show you guys. Ooh, but I love it. Guys, look at those views. I don't know what hill that is, but it looks amazing. And yeah, here's the estate. It's still like new. Most people have not yet discovered it, but it's amazing. Mimi, I love it. I love this place, and I highly recommend it. Yeah, so let me go show you guys the play area and whatever else is here. Like, let's just go around the estate and see what it's all about. It doesn't have too much houses, so it won't be overpopulated. It's the ambience for me. It's amazing. Let me know what you guys think about this house in the comment sections below. So guys, we are going to the shopping center. So still under construction, but this will be the shopping center just inside the estate. You guys can see those views. Yeah, still under construction. The units are 100 in total, and over there you can see the main gates. The houses are amazing. I love them. I'm gonna leave more details in the description box, the contact details in case you want to buy a house here. You could actually buy a house here and put it on Airbnb because the environment is amazing. Like the air, the ambience, the views, just especially the view from the master bedroom. This could do so well as an Airbnb because it's like it's like a secret haven somewhere. And then the fact that Whistling Morans is nearby, and you know Whistling Morans has a pool, they have go-karting. This is a very, 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 very good investment, you guys. So share this video, subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. That's Whistling Morans, and you can see the road is all Cape Road.